Unlocking the power of paragraphs. Structure and unity for clarity. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of English writing, paragraph structure and unity. Mastering this will not only make your writing look professional, but it will also greatly enhance clarity and coherence. So let's unravel the mystery behind structuring paragraphs effectively. Every paragraph is like a mini essay. It should focus on one single idea. This idea is often introduced in the form of a topic sentence. The sentences that follow should support, explain, or elaborate on this main idea. Imagine your paragraph as a team. In a well-functioning team, all members work towards a common goal. Similarly, in a well-structured paragraph, all sentences work together to support and explain the topic sentence. A well-structured paragraph usually follows a certain pattern. 1. Topic sentence introduces the main idea of the paragraph. 2. Supporting sentences elaborate on the main idea with examples, facts, or explanations. 3. Concluding sentence wraps up the paragraph, sometimes connecting it to the next paragraph or summarizing its content. Example: topic sentence. Dogs are known to be loyal companions. Supporting sentences. They are known to stick by their owners through thick and thin. Many tales have showcased dogs waiting for their owners for years, showcasing their unwavering loyalty. Studies also show that dogs can sense human emotions, making them empathetic friends. Concluding sentence. With such loyalty and empathy, it's no wonder dogs are called man's best friend. It's not enough for a paragraph to have unity. It should also flow logically. This is where transitional words and phrases come in. They act like bridges, connecting sentences and ideas together. Some common transitional words include addition, furthermore, moreover, also, contrast, however, on the other hand, yet, cause and effect, because, therefore, hence. By using these words, you ensure your reader can easily follow your line of thought, making your writing coherent and easy to understand. Understanding paragraph structure and unity is crucial for producing clear, coherent, and engaging English writing. Remember, every paragraph is a team working towards one goal: effectively communicating your idea. Keep practicing, and soon crafting perfect paragraphs will become second nature. Until next time, keep writing and keep learning.